guys, this is my Christmas tree. It is November 7. I don't know if I'm done yet, but I will show you what I have hung in what ornaments I used in here. So okay, I'm gonna start right here. I don't know all this, but I know this is kinda, I'm just gonna show you. This is Lennox. It says 2000. Celebrate 2000. Okay, it's a long time ago, and it's snowflake. And this one, it's ornaments for Honey, the dog that died recently. The dog, that's why we got Roxy and Misty. And this one, I got all this. If you see a lot of like this red ornaments bowls, I got all this from a dollar store long time ago. And right here is the Lennox of Holy Night. Oh, Holy Night. It's a Lennox and it's really, really nice. And what else? This one, it's a very nice like teardrops or something, a raindrop. I don't know how you call this. It's a very delicate glass. And this one is crystal also ornaments, and it's like I don't know if it's a duck, I don't know. This one is it's a nice, I don't know if this is a crystal. And this one is the sun. Hi sunny sun. And this one is a very nice, I think it's a nice looking angel though. And what else can I show you? I show you this one. It's a Santa Claus face. And this one is a starry night. And a Lennox Bible. It's a Bible. And look, Maligayang Pasko. The first Christmas or the second Christmas I spent with Tommy, and my mother-in-law got this for me. Maligayang Pasko. She ordered that in a magazine. She found that. And this one, it's a moon and a Christmas tree ornaments. It's crystal. What else? Another Lennox thing. Yeah. An angel and a dove. And another look like a teardrop. Or there's baby Jesus over here. And another one of that. And star. And that's really it. It's not a lot. And all this thing. This one. And this one is like a, I don't know, baston. I don't know. This one right here is another angel. And look at my star, guys. My starry night. And that's what it looks like. Merry Christmas advance, everyone. And I'm watching a TV. Catfish. And so yeah, so I still have a lot of stuff right here. And I'm gonna continue. This is a dog bed. But anyway guys, that's it. I just want to show you what my Christmas looks like, and I'm not sure if I'm done the whole thing decorating the Christmas tree, but that's it for now. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Bye.